August the 24th, Nigel Hawkes, Hawkeye Traders. Good morning. This won't be a long newsletter this week. Remember, at 4:30 Eastern Time on Thursday, we have a webinar where we are going through all the new upgrades on the indicators. So please go to the website and register. And on Friday, of course, we have the live trading room, Randy and myself. Randy will be trading live for you for a couple of hours. I just want to take you through some setups very quickly. Remember that I keep going on about the gold scenario. I'm very concerned for those people who are long, that they should tighten up their stops. We have an isolated high pivot, the yellow dot on the 480. We've got a potential isolated high coming up on the daily, and we also have a potential isolated high next week if next week is lower than the close of this week and doesn't take out the high. We also have that ultra high volume, or the high volume on the yellow radar screen going through on the weekly. So all in all, be very cautious if you're holding long of this gold. Be very, very careful. Copper, which is one of my favorite markets to trade, you can see that we've come down. We're in our consolidation sideways on the 4-minute, again on the daily, and that is an area that I've want to be seen to be taken out down here. That low that occurred on the 9th of August. Want to see that taken out. We've got the isolated high in here on the 17th of August. Those are my congestion parameters. We've tightened up congestion now because we've got new isolated highs, isolated lows, so it's got to make up its mind shortly. And then if we go on to the actual ES and we have a look at that, we have the lovely, let me just put the pivots on. We have an isolated low that occurred 2 days ago. We've got the isolated highs here. We've got congestion parameters set up. This has really got to break down now and take out that isolated low, the phantom isolated low from there, or else we're going to get some buying volume coming in. You can see on the weekly we already have an isolated low there, which should push this up 3, 5, or 7 weeks to the upside. The monthly is breaking down, so all in all that really confirms what we're seeing on the daily, congestion. But we are coming to make your mind up time. We've got to take that low out, we've got to break above these highs. It's in solid congestion, but that still gives us a lot of opportunities to trade. And if we have a look at the ES, or one of the areas that Randy and myself have been looking at is the new roadkill indicator, which we're going to demonstrate to you on Thursday at 4:30, where you can set up the blue time frame against the yellow. You can also set up the yellow against the orange time frame and trade that in harmony for the day, and it is very successful. And then if we come and have a look at the currencies, I just want to show you this. Let me just expand this out so that we can see. We've got that lovely uptrend that was caught on the pound Swiss, and then it got itself stopped out up here, and you can see that it gave another long here. That long was not elected. Why? Because you can see that on the fat man the brown line is going down, the white line is going down. The risk is not with you. It's too risky to take that. Not interested. In fact, we'd be looking more for the short side when that's set up. So do remember that there is a seminar in Dallas at the end of September. It's on our website. It's not a lot of money, frankly. We don't make any money out of the seminar. By the time it's my expenses coming over to the States and paying for the rooms, etc., it basically washes itself. But I want you to come along, come to school, let me teach you how to make Hawkeye really successful and how to ensure that you have financial security for the future. Please come along. It's $750 for 2 days, which basically covers our costs, and you will learn one hell of a lot. Look forward to seeing you all shortly. Bye bye.